fast you think we're going?
Too fast! Way too fast! What the hell do we do now?
I'm on my way.
Ed, you may want to take this call.
This is Ed Brown. Who am I talking to?
I work for a company called Bradshaw Disposal Systems. That train on TV, it's carrying a nuclear weapon in one of the boxcars.
Look, Mr. Whoever you are...
Listen to me. The boxcar labeled flammable chemicals contains a Russian-made nuclear weapon.
Be a hoax.
It didn't sound like it. How many people even know Bradshaw Disposal? How many can ID a specific boxcar on the train?
The derailment caused to detonate.
Get me somebody at the Nuclear Emergency Search Team. People, until NEST okays it, derailment is not an option. Radio the ground crew. Have them take that derailer off the track. Let's go. Hurry.
That's okay. Forget it. Go see if you can connect that hose. We've only got a couple of minutes.
Freight 642, this is Ed. Freight 642. Wally, we're canceling the derailment. The crew's still on your track.
Got that, Denver Control. And thanks.
We better get up front.
A nuclear bomb, Seeger. We can't derail and take that chance. You gotta stop that train.
I hear you, Denver. We need more speed. We're in the red now. We're gonna shake apart. We don't have any choice. Let's do it.
Put a nuclear bomb on my train.
As usual, you guys have your scientific heads buried in the forest.
Give the mixed metaphor a rest, General.
Gentlemen, when can we anticipate derailment, General?
Mr. President, at the present rate, the train is almost certain to derail here at a place called Miller's Bend, a few miles to the west of Denver in less than 2 hours' time. A NEST containment team is already airborne and due to arrive in Denver in 30 minutes.
How many crew are on the train?
5.
NORAD is secure.
Completely.
Are we in direct contact with Denver Control?
Yes. Nest has a man on his way there now as well.
Okay. The nuclear consequences. Savella.
Sir, probably none.
Probably.
If there are nuclear weapons on board, they shouldn't detonate in the event of a collision.
Shouldn't. Probably. But you wouldn't want to commit yourself so far on this one.
Well, if it was ours, I could guarantee it. The problem is, this particular weapon may be Russian in origin. We don't know what design. It throws a huge X factor into the equation.
You are not reassuring me. Well, let's find out what kind of a Russian bomb is on that train. Come on, people.
There she is, pull the horn! He's coming to hook us up! Come on! Here he comes.
Let's hope to God he can hook us up. You better run that by me again, Harlan. Are you seriously suggesting that we send a jet fighter out there and blow this train off the mountain?
There are approximately 2 million people in the greater Denver area. We're not going to evacuate them all in time. A preventive strike is something we need to consider.
Why use a scalpel when a chainsaw will do?
Our research suggests an attack from the air would force the nuclear material into the ground, greatly minimizing blast and fallout.
And irradiating the water supply of the western United States.
And your solution is?
We should deploy some sort of commando unit, land on the train.
And do what? If the engineers are incapable of stopping it short of derailment, what would commandos do? Mr. President, we should at least get a fighter above target. We have very few options here. None are ideal. Let's not lose even one.
All right.
Hey, it's us. Listen, we've changed our rock climbing plans, and I'm gonna need you to stay
Mom?
by the phone.
In here. Where's John? On the train. Where's Grace? Grace, what's going on? We've got to pack up the 4x4 with food and water and go to Grandma's. Grandma's? The train's going to crash unless John can stop it. And we've got to get out of here.
Chance, just slow down. What are you talking about?
It's a runaway train, and John's trying to stop it. Mom, you should have seen it. It was so cool.
What runaway?
That one.
The train may also be carrying a nuclear bomb. We repeat, in addition to its already
there.
deadly cargo
He's trying to stop it.
materials, the train may be carrying a nuclear bomb. KNFS is attempting to get confirmation of this unsubstantiated report.
Go, cowboy.
This guy's gonna get himself killed.
Ed Brown?
Yeah.
Lieutenant Colonel Tom Levy, Nuclear Emergency Search Team.
Oh, great.
Christina Roselli.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, man.
When we found out there may be a bomb on board, we scrapped intentional derailment. You know much about trains, Colonel?
They run on tracks, right?
On good days.
All right. What do I need to know about Bradshaw Disposal Systems?
It's a company with a government contract to handle hazardous material. It's also authorized to dismantle and decommission nuclear weapons.
No weapons, however, are listed in the train manifest. What we're dealing with is contraband.
It seems like the owner's son slipped the weapon on board to try to avoid a couple of $1,000s in insurance.
Where is John Henry Bradshaw?
We don't know.
Well,
Mr. President, you may want to see this.
The man in front is John Seeger of the NTSB. Apparently, he is attempting to hook the two trains and use the locomotives for brakes.
is that possible?
Remotely.
Then that's our first plan. Before we start firing rockets at civilians, we're going to give Mr. Seeger there a chance to stop that train.
Yeah, don't quit praying yet. Tucker, tell him go easy.
Tell him to slow down! All right! Slowing down! Easy now!
We're slowing.
That's
What's happening? Too much strain!
Tucker, back off!
Back off! Tell him to back off! All right, back off!
More sand!
dead. Tucker's dead?
Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah. We lost the freight, man. We lost Tucker, too.
Thanks. The couplers didn't hold. The freight's fallen back a half a mile.
And?
They lost a man.
What about Seeger?
He's aboard the Runaway.
Hey,
Yeah?
have you been listening to the news?
No, why?
Come on. You need to pack a bag. We need to get out of here. Charlotte, you need to head for home. Come on.
What's happening? Oh, what's going on?
There's a train out of control coming down from the mountains, and it may be carrying a nuclear bomb. We need to get out of here. I don't want to be here when it crashes. Come on, Charlotte.
I win.
Good game.
Thank you. That is my damn stepmom again.
What is it?
It's an emergency. My stepbrother and I worked out this code.
We interrupt this program to bring you a special...
Great. Where are you?
Somewhere with someone.
Never mind.
We'll talk about that later. Right now, I need you home.
Actually, Megan, I wasn't really calling for you. Is Chance there?
Yes, and when you get home, we're all gonna go to my mother's.
Thanks anyway, but you guys have fun.
Grace,